right, guys, welcome to Vinnie's Trading Cheat Code. Welcome to all the members who've been with me since day one, new members, people who are just learning about Vinnie's Trading Cheat Code. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Let's get started, okay? So what is Vinnie's Trading Cheat Code? It's basically a indicator in a system, a set of rules that I put together to help me and help you know when to buy or sell in the market, okay? It lays out a clear plan on when you should get in and when you should get out of the market. So I'm going to show you that this evening. We're going to go over a couple pairs. Also want to let you guys know about the Ultimate Trading Journal. It is on Amazon. Link will be inside the free Telegram group for you to purchase the Ultimate Trading Journal. First pair I want to go over with you guys today is USD CAD, okay? So we always want to start off on the daily time frame. The reason why we start off from the daily time frame is because the daily time frame is going to give us our direction, okay? So our direction. And how do we learn about our direction? Is through market structure. Market structure is the ability to look at a chart and determine whether the market's in the uptrend, downtrend, or moving sideways, okay? This is going to help you to know exactly in which direction you need to be trading. For those who are new to trading, the market only moves two ways. It only moves in the impulse, moves in the correction, moves in the impulse, moves in the correction, right? That's an uptrend. The market's in a downtrend, going to have an impulse, going to have a correction, going to have an impulse, going to have a correction, okay? So by knowing this simple impulse correction is going to help you tremendously in trading, because then you'll know if you're actually trading the impulse or if you're trading the correction of a certain pair. So we're going to look at USD CAD daily time frame, okay? And we can see there's two types of trends in the market. I'm sure you guys know about the two types of trends. There's an overall trend, okay, which I'm showing you guys right now. This is the overall trend, the big picture trend. We can see that the big picture trend obviously is bullish, right? The big overall trend is bullish. None of these lows have been broken, so price is still bullish on the overall trend. Now, the second trend is current price action. Current price action, we can see we're bearish. Why are we bearish? Well, because we have a high. Okay, well, we have a high here, and this previous high was not broken yet. Okay, so price is moving in a downtrend. Okay, we have a high, we have a low, lower high, lower low. Okay, so the way that I trade, I use trading ranges. Okay, and how do I determine a trading range? Well, I determine a trading range from the most recent break of structure. So I'm looking at current price action, and on here I'm looking at the most recent break of structure. Most recent break of structure that I see, guys, is going to be here. This is the most recent break of structure. Price came down, broke these lows, these previous lows here, all these previous lows. Okay, that is a break of structure. We know that after a break of structure, there's going to be a pullback, and that's what we're getting right now. We're getting a pullback on USD CAD. All right. I don't think the pullback is done yet. I would like to see the pullback at least, hold on one second, at least to this 50% area right here where it's marked off in this line here, or inside of my sell zone. Right. So this is the 50% area. And how I determine that is by using the Fibonacci. Okay, so I'll take my Fibonacci tool. I'll go from this swing high to this swing low, and it's going to determine this 50% area here, okay? I would like to see market pull back at least to that area. It did pull back at least to that area, but I would like to see it go higher into this zone here. This will be considered my sell zone, right? And reason why this is my sell zone, because you always want to sell price at a premium and you want to buy price at a discount. Sell price at a premium, buy price at a discount. Sell price at a premium, buy price at a discount. So between This high and this swing low is going to be my trading range. It's going to be my bearish trading range. Okay, price is already starting to pull back on USD CAD, as you all can see. So now when I turn on the indicator, I'm going to use the indicator for confirmation to confirm what I'm already seeing in the market. Let me say that one more time. I'm using the indicator to confirm what I already see in the market. Okay, so the cheat code indicator is just going to confirm what I already see. So if I turn on the cheat code indicator, let me make it bigger so you guys can see. The cheat code indicator consists of these two bands. Okay, price is always going to be between these two bands. You have a lower band, which is in blue, upper band, which is in red. Okay, when price goes outside of these bands, whether below the blue band or above the red band, this is what we call an extreme in the market. Okay, the only time I'm looking to take a place to trade is when extreme happens in the market. There's no extreme in the market. Personally, my set of rules, I am not looking to place a trade. Okay. Also, you may see these different color lines here. For those who are new, this line that's inside of between the bands, it's going to be your HMA. We only use the HMA for our entries. Okay. We only use the HMA for our entries. This other line here that you see that turn red to blue is going to be our moving average. Okay. Our 47 moving average. Use the 47 moving average. Right. So we can see price has pulled up into our 47 moving average and it reacted. Okay. We had a rejection. Okay. But I do still expect price to push up a little bit more before we actually get a reversal on USD CAD. So that's what we're seeing right now. We're going to see price starting to pull back up. Why did I know that? Well, go down to the 4-hour time frame. We're going to see that price is bullish on the 4-hour time frame. We do see that on the daily time frame, right? Because this bullish price action that we see on the 4-hour time frame is just simply the pullback that we see on the daily time frame. Okay. And we can tell this price action is bullish because of market structure. Again, we have a low, our lowest point here. We have a high, we have a higher low, and we also have a higher high. Okay, price is coming down to create a higher low, to create a higher high. So that's what I'm looking for on USD CAD. Okay, so since we trade using the GSA strategy, which stands for grow small accounts, if I turn on the indicator, you guys are going to see a cheat code buy signal on the 4-hour time frame. On this 4-hour time frame, you're also going to receive support and resistance areas. Okay, so we have our daily H4, H4, H1, and daily support and resistance areas that are automatically set for you on using the indicator. So we have a certain amount of confluences on the USD CAD pair that lets us know that price wants to trade higher. Price is at a higher time frame demand or support area, H4 here. You have a CC buy signal. Okay, and we also have bullish market structure. And again, we are above the 47 moving average, which has turned blue to give us indication that price wants to continue going up. Okay, so we have several confluences and confirmations that we can take a buy on USD CAD. It's not ready to reverse yet. Okay, so this is the first pair that we can be looking to trade this week, early on in the week. Now things might change later on in the week because we have some news, and but for right now, we can look to take a buy on USD CAD. So our GSA strategy is very simple, guys. It's a 4-hour signal, which we do have here, in a 1-hour break and retest. So if we go down to the 1-hour time frame, first, let's go down to the 1-hour time frame. Okay, and on the 1-hour time frame, we can see that again we have a cheat code buy signal, and also we have a divergence buy signal. So on this indicator, we give you 3 sets of buy and sell signals. The only one that we're worried about is when price goes outside the band and we get a CC buy or CC sell, okay? This divergence buy or sell signal that we get is just an indication to let us know that price is going to reverse. So it's like a early warning system that lets us know that price is going to reverse, okay? It's going to be time for price to reverse. And then you have your retest buy and sell signals, okay? When price pulls back, you get a retest buy or you get a retest sell when price pulls back, okay? So those are the three types of buy and sell signals that we have here. And we use those for our entries, and we also use those as early warnings, but the only ones that we're looking to trade are going to be CC sell and CC buy. Price goes outside of the band. So again, don't have our break and retest yet. We're looking for a price to break the Hall moving average. Once price breaks the Hall moving average, get a retest, then we'll look to take a buy on USD CAD. Okay, we'll look to buy USD CAD. Now, before I go any further into the analysis, let's go ahead and take a look at the news for this week on forexfactory.com. I like to come here, and what I'm looking for when I come to the news is red folders, okay? So today is July 9th, okay? And tomorrow will be Monday the 10th. So we do have one red folder at 11 a.m. for GBP, okay? So we can look to have some price movement on the GBP pairs tomorrow, okay? And then on Tuesday, again, we have some more GBP news at 2 a.m. Eastern Standard Time where I'm at. And then later on that evening, we're going to have some NZD and AUD news. So be prepared to see those pairs move, okay? So any pairs that have NZD as their base or forward pair, then you should look to maybe trade those or maybe wait till after the news to trade those pairs. There's going to be a lot of movement with those pairs around that time, okay? Wednesday, get into some USD news, okay? We have some CPI news. We also have some GBP news, and we have some CAD news at 10 a.m., okay? And 11. So Wednesday is going to be a pretty full day. We should have some nice price action happening on Wednesday. Thursday, again, we have some more GBP news, okay? And then we have some USD news, some core PPI news, and unemployment claims on Thursday, right? Friday looks pretty quiet. The Euro French Bank will be closed. And then we have some USD news at 10 a.m. on Friday. So Thursday and Friday should be really big days. Okay. The reason why I like to look at the news, like to be prepared to see which pairs I can be expecting to move this week in the market, right? So we look at the news. Now let's get back to the charts. Next pair I want to look at, guys, is going to be, go to the daily time frame, and we're going to take a look at the top. We're going to go to AUDCHF. All right, AUDCHF. Looks like price has came to a demand zone. All right. Again, I've used trading ranges. This is my trading range from this swing low, this swing high, price pulled back into my buy zone. So I'll be looking to buy AUDCHF this week, okay? Look to buy AUDCHF this week, okay? Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Let's take a look and turn on the cheat code indicator. Turn on the cheat code indicator, we can see that we have a CC buy here. Price went outside the band. Price is already starting to push up, right? So I'm looking to buy AUDCHF this week. All right. Since price, we already have some price movement. If we want to get in on this, simply go down to the 1-hour time frame, and we're going to set an alert for a CC buy. So let's do that right now. You guys will see how it works. Price is already starting to push up. It's at a resistance right here, but I'm looking for price to break this resistance and then do a pullback. It might be a while before we get an alert on AUDCHF, but once we get the alert, price will be ready to buy. Okay, so we'll go to set an alert, go to create alert, go to condition, Go to Vinnie's cheat code, go to CC buy, once per bar close, and click create. Okay, so now when price pulls back, we're ready to take a buy on AUDCHF. All right. Next pair is going to be, and I'll put all these trades inside of the free Telegram group for you guys to go back and take a look at. So don't worry. Let's go back to the daily time frame. Next pair is going to be CAD CHF. This is a pair I don't trade too often because it moves slow. But again, you see an opportunity here with CAD CHF that we just can't pass on. All right. So we can see, I actually drew a trend line to show you guys that price was moving in a downward direction. Market structure was telling us moving down. It actually broke this trend line, and price broke this trend line, starting to pull back now, okay, from the daily time frame. So if we go down to the 4-hour time frame, you can see that price is starting to pull up. Okay. 4-hour time frame, we should have a cheat code buy signal. Okay. So we have a cheat code buy signal and divergence on the 4-hour time frame. Again, price is starting to move up. I think I put this trade inside of the Telegram group. I have to go back and take a look. But this is something that you can look to take a buy on early on this week for CAD CHF. Okay, so we're buying USD CHF, we're buying CAD CHF, and we're buying AUD CHF this week. All right, and USD CAD. All right, the next pair I want to take a look at is going to be GBP USD. And let's take a look at it on the daily time frame. Okay. So we could turn off the indicator, and we can see that the overall trend on GBP USD is bullish. Current price action is also bullish. Okay. GBP USD is actually at a resistance. Okay. We're going to see if price is actually going to break this resistance that it's actually up to right now and continue higher. Right. But what I am expecting price to go lower on GBP USD. Let's go ahead and turn on the indicator, and we can see that price did break above this area here. We don't have a cheat code sell signal on the daily time frame. So it gives me indication that price wants to continue higher on GBP USD. All right, but we should expect a pullback. So if I go down to the 4-hour time frame, we should see a signal, right? And we do. We have a sell signal, cheat code sell signal, and a divergent sell signal on the 4-hour time frame. So this 4-hour time frame is just a pullback to go higher. So we can expect a pullback maybe to this level here in this H4 support, and then we can look to take GBP USD higher. So in the meantime, we can look to sell GBP USD. Later on the week, maybe expecting to buy GBP USD. That's our expectation. Next pair is going to be GBP CAD. Let's go to the daily time frame again. On GBP CAD, we have a cheat code sell signal on the daily time frame. Okay, we did place a trade here on Friday, hit our TP. Again, same analysis, still looking for GBP CAD to continue down. Go down to the 4-hour time frame. Again, got a cheat code sell signal. Price is looking to continue to push down. We already had our break and retest. So we're just looking for price to continue down on GBP CAD. So that's something you can sell for this week also. Okay. Next pair is going to be GBP AUD. GBP AUD, I was in a sale from last week. I had gotten out. Price shot back up. Okay. Broke this previous high here. We can see the price is extremely bullish, but again, CC sales are telling us price wants to continue down. So this is a pair that we continue to sell on GBP AUD. Again, if you wanted to get in on this trade, Go down to the 1 hour time frame. I'm going to set an alert, CC sell alert. I'm going to left click, add alert, Vinnie's cheat code, CC sell, once per bar close. Always want to wait for the bar to close. Click create. Okay. Now, when price pulls back and goes outside of the band on a 1 hour time frame, we can look to take a sale on GBP AUD. All right. Let's see. Next pair is going to be Euro USD. Euro USD. Go to the daily. Daily time frame is the same exact scenario with GBP USD. All right. Price is not outside of the band on the daily time frame. Okay. But on a 4 hour time frame, we can expect a pullback. We are bullish. Why are we bullish? Why are we bullish on GBP USD? Price action is telling us that we're bullish. Look at the overall trend. Price is continuing up. We are above the 47 moving average here. It has turned blue. So again, that's an indication that we are bullish on Euro USD. Let's go down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame is telling us that price wants to pull back. Okay. So this is simply going to be a pullback for price to go higher. So we can expect Euro USD to drop down, maybe to this support here, 4 hour support, and for price to head up higher on Euro USD. Okay, so that's what we can expect on Euro USD. Next pair is going to be AUDUSD. AUDUSD, let's go ahead and turn off the indicator real quick and show you guys what I've already have marked up. This is my bullish trading range from this swing low to this swing high. Price pulled back into my buy zone. This is my buy zone. And if I turn on the indicator, you guys see a CC buy signal somewhere down here for price to continue up. My expectation for price to continue up to break this high here, this swing high that we're currently at. Or price to break this high, maybe attack these highs up here. Okay, but that's long term. I can only react to what price is giving me now, and it is giving me some bullish price action at this current moment. So if I turn on the indicator on the daily time frame, again, we have a CC buy inside of our buy zone. Okay, so what we can do is go down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame. Again, we have a CC sale on the 4 hour time frame. But now that I know that price is bullish on a daily time frame, this 4 hour time frame is simply what? It's simply a pullback for price to go higher. So I'm looking for price to maybe drop down to this area here, and then looking for price to go higher on AUDUSD. Okay, looking for price to pull back to go higher on AUDUSD. Right. Another pair that I'm looking at is going to be these JPY pairs. Let's go to the daily time frame. Let's take a look at these JPY pairs. CAD JPY, again, sold off, selling off. So I'm looking for price to pull back on CAD JPY. So if we go down to the 4 hour time frame, we should see a cheat code buy signal. Do have one on the 4 hour time frame. This indicator makes trading simple. It makes your analysis simple. Hopefully I'm not losing you guys. I know I'm going a little quick. I don't want to take up too much of your time. But the trades will be inside. You have CC buy divergence. Okay, this is simply a pullback to go lower. So looking for price to pull up to at least here, and then continue lower on CAD JPY. Okay, same exact pair goes on with all the JPY pairs. It should be selling. So let's go to the daily time frame again. Take a look at CHF JPY. Yep, it's selling off. Right, pull back to go lower. Euro JPY, yes, pull back to go lower on Euro JPY. GBP JPY, and it's going to pull back to go lower. Let's take a look at the 4 hour time frame on GBP JPY. And again, we're getting the same exact result. Okay, You have a CC buy, 4-hour time frame, price to pull back to go lower. Okay, so you can simply wait for the pullback to happen, or you can try to catch some of the pips. I'm sorry, you can simply wait for the sale, or you can try to get in on this pullback on some of these JPY pairs. Personally, I'm going to wait to sell these JPY pairs. Take a look at NZD JPY. We don't have a signal yet, so that price could continue down. And we do have one on USD JPY. Okay, we have divergence and a CC buy. We're completely outside of the band. So again, we're looking for price to pull back, maybe to this resistance here, this H1, and then for price to go lower. Okay. So great thing I like about this indicator that it marks up the charts for you. Okay. You just have to know what you're looking for, and that comes with time with being a trader. Knowing what you're looking for in the market is going to completely come with time and just experience in the market, marking up your charts, going through these pairs, knowing where you are in the market, knowing if you're trading the impulse or if you're trading the correction. Okay. So on USD JPY, you are trading the correction for price to do an impulse to continue down, right? You know that from our daily time frame. Our daily time frame gives us our direction. You see this up here because I was expecting price to reach this area here on USD JPY, but it did not. So now we can erase it. And up here to this resistance here that's already set for us. The indicator price is going to pull back to go lower on USD JPY. Why do I also know that it's going to go lower? Let's take a look at the weekly time frame. All right, weekly time frame, and this indicator works on all time frames, from the monthly all the way down to the 1 minute time frame. It's the most accurate indicator on the market, guaranteed. Okay. Weekly time frame is telling us to sell. Okay, so if you're a long-term swing trader, you know you're going to be selling USD JPY for quite a while, at least till it reaches this support area down here. So what you could expect price to drop at least almost 600 pips on USD JPY. Okay. But those are for long-term swing traders, all right? Again, those are the pairs that I am looking at for this week. This should be a great trading week. Don't try to trade all these pairs, okay? Pick 1 or 2 pairs and load up your positions with those pairs, guys. Make sure you're trading on the right side of the market, meaning that you're trading the impulse of the market, whether that's price is trending up or trending down. You want to trade that impulse to go with the market if you're looking to catch these big moves in the market. Okay. Those of you who are scalpers, again, we have use our 1 hour signal and our 5 or 15 minute for our entry. Okay. Intraday trader, swing trader like me, it's a 4 hour signal, 1 hour break and retest. And that is creating tremendous results. Okay. So if you want to get signed up with the cheat code indicator, guys, it's very simple. You're going to go to vinniestradingcheatcode.com. Okay. vinniestradingcheatcode.com. Right. You're going to click on active reseller. Once you click on active reseller, it's going to take you to a sales page. Okay. On that sales page, you'll be able to watch a short video. And then in about a minute or so, this will disappear, and actually the button to join will be up here, okay? The indicator is $300 just for the indicator, okay? We also have a monthly coaching program, which is $127 a month, okay? Or you can pay for lifetime access. Either or is fine for monthly coaching. Monthly coaching will give you access to our Telegram group, where I give out signals, and also our weekly training sessions. I try to do that twice a week with you guys on Tuesdays and Saturdays. And any questions that you need to answer, we'll be happy to answer those questions for you, okay? We have a nice support group with within our coaching, right? Thank you, Clifton. Appreciate it. See you next Sunday. Okay. Let me show you what the back office looks like so you guys can see what you can expect once you get the indicator. So this is the back office. Okay. As soon as you get the back office, guys, what you want to do is watch this welcome video. Okay. Inside your back office, every Sunday, you can just click this link here and it will bring you to our Zoom link that we have every Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If for any reason this changes, you will see this inside of your back office, okay? Also post the links inside the Telegram group. That might be easier for some. Here is where you have your affiliate site. Your name will be here, and you can send people, and you can actually make a $100 commission if you refer someone else to Vinnie's Trading Cheat Code, okay? Here is where you can go, Vinnie's Trading Cheat Code, go here, how to set up the cheat code. This is where you can actually download the cheat code, see how it works, the settings, GSA strategy, and how to set alerts. For those who are completely new, you go here and you completely learn about Forex, okay? What is the currency market? Rob Booker does a great job of breaking down what is Forex, okay? He goes into great detail on, for those of you who are complete beginners. This is the affiliate profile. You can edit your profile, set up your payments, join our advertising rotator. Advertising rotator is for those of you who want to make extra income without really doing much, right? So since I promote the cheat code on my own page and through advertising, I always tell people to go to vinniestradingcheatcode.com. So once they go to vinniestradingcheatcode.com, it actually goes to that page where they had to, let me show you guys. Let's go back. It actually goes to this page here, okay? So when people click on find active reseller, if you're in line to receive that next customer, then that customer is going to go to your page, and once they sign up to get the cheat code, you can receive a $100 commission, okay? Simply for signing up for the advertising rotator, okay? Because I don't promote my own link, I only promote vinniestradingcheatcode.com, right? Other than that, guys, just want to go over that with you real quick. I want to say thank you, guys. Again, the links will be posted inside of the group. J316 says, can we take a look at Nas? Yeah, take a look at Nas real quick. Let's do it. I'll be selling Nas for a while, okay? So if you take a look, let's go to the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame on Nas, okay? Look at this. We have two divergence sell signals, cheat code sell signal. We're getting some bearish price action, okay, on the weekly time frame. We don't have any signal on the daily time frame, but again, we are selling, all right? We already have some bearish price action happening on the daily time frame. Let's go down to the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame, again, we have some bearish price action. Actually looking for price to break this 4-hour support. Once it breaks it, you can expect something like this to happen. Break, pull back, go lower, okay? So that's my expectation on Nas 100 for price to go lower, right? Other than that, guys, that is going to complete our analysis for this Sunday. Please come back next Sunday. And again, I will update you guys on these different trades for the week. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Have a great rest of the evening.